Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'll be showing you how to fully tear down your speaker, and I'll be showing you step by step how to take down everything from your speaker. And in this tutorial I'll be showing you where I have placed my battery which was replaced. For this tutorial all you will need is a scale and a star screwdriver. So let's get started. To start with this, you have to look for the right hand side of your speaker. Take the scale, pull it out just like that. Like that. There you have it. See, this is the whole thing right here. So I'm gonna keep it apart. So as you guys can see, this is where I have placed my batteries. I won't be taking out the speaker as I have already showed you how to take out the speaker. So now I'll be showing you how to put everything back in place without any mistake. So let's begin. If you're facing any kind of problem with your JBL Xtreme speaker, you can leave a comment down below and I'll reply to you in no time. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, guys.